Hi everyone, it's Leah from Callowesse, and today we're going to be looking at the SmartView Video Baby Monitor. Whether you're currently looking for a baby monitor or you've already bought this one, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to cover everything from what you'll get inside the box, its key features. We'll also take a look at how to set it up and how to connect it to your mobile app. So, in the box, you'll receive your camera, your baby monitor, 2 plug adapters, as well as a wall mount in case you'd like to mount the camera on the wall, which comes with the necessary screws and wall plugs. And you'll also receive a really handy wireless charging dock for the monitor. And of course, you'll get your instruction manual. So let's take a look at some of the key features of the Callowesse SmartView video monitor. One of my favourites has got to be that you can monitor your baby from either the SmartView monitor or your smart device, so you can connect it to your phone or tablet and you'll be able to monitor your baby on there as well as on the monitor. This is super handy because it means you don't actually need to be near the monitor to be able to view the camera. You could even be out the house and you can still keep an eye on your baby. It also means that several people can monitor your baby at once, so you could have someone viewing on the monitor and someone viewing on their phone. I think it's great that you can still use a traditional baby monitor as well as your smart device, because say for example you're having a babysitter come to look after your baby, or somebody that you might not want to have the app, or you want to make sure that they can't access the camera after they need to, they can purely use the monitor. They don't have to sign in or log in on their personal phone, and they just get the use that they need for that time. You can also monitor your baby's room temperature through this device, and the camera also features night vision, so you're sure to get a good view even in the dark. Something else I love about this system is that your monitor screen will automatically turn off when no sound has been detected from the camera, which will then in turn help to save battery in your monitor. When sound is detected again, your screen will automatically turn back on, as well as these light indicators which will light up to alert you that there is noise. You can also adjust the sensitivity of this to detect low or high sound levels. Earlier on, I mentioned about the wireless charging dock. So this is great because it means you can charge your monitor without cables being in the way. And it also doubles as a nightstand for your monitor. So the monitor does come with a built-in stand on the back here, but overnight you could put the dock on your bedside table, say, and put the monitor on, and that will make sure that it stays charged overnight. Now, the dock does need to be charged through a mains itself, but once it's fully charged, it will charge your monitor wirelessly. Another great feature of the SmartView monitor is that you can input and output audio from both the monitor and the camera. So of course, you'll be able to hear the sound coming from the camera through your monitor, but you can also speak into the monitor and the sound will come out on the camera. And this is great if you want to try and soothe your baby with the sound of your voice, or you want to say something without having to go into the room. So moving on to setting up your device. As I said, you will get a wall mount and the necessary screws and plugs included in your box, but of course you don't have to use this. The camera has excellent pan, tilt and zoom features, so it's easy to get a good angle from different surfaces around the room. If you do decide to use the wall mount to install your camera, please note that it is not suitable to be mounted from the ceiling. To ensure a strong connection, it's important to locate your camera within 120 meters of your router. So now I'm going to show you how you connect your 2 devices together. So your camera needs to be plugged in with your cable into the mains, and it's probably a good idea to plug your monitor into while you're setting it up, as it may not come with too much charge, but of course you can use this without the cable. So once your camera is plugged in, you'll use this button here to switch it to on. You'll see a little light to say it's on, and then you'll turn your monitor on at the top here, holding the power button down until your screen lights up. So to pair your camera to your monitor, you're going to press the menu button down here and you're going to select this camera icon. As you can see, you've got 4 options to add cameras, and that's because you can purchase additional cameras with this so that you can watch several rooms at once. But we're going to select camera number 1 here, and it will come up with please press pair key on your camera side with a countdown of 30 seconds. So you'll go to your camera, turn it upside down and press the button here which says pair. And it's as easy as that. The camera is now paired to the monitor. So as I mentioned, the camera features excellent pan, tilt and zoom. So to do this, you'll tap the screen and you'll be brought up with this menu. And these are the keys you're going to use to either pan left and right, or you can tilt up and down. And then you'll use this magnifying glass key here to zoom in and out. You also have the volume buttons down here as well. And here is where you'll access your built-in lullabies. So if you press the music icon, you'll be brought up with 3 options. So down here you can see your microphone button. This is how you access the two-way talk. You've also got your temperature monitor up here, as well as your night light here. For a step-by-step guide of how to connect your monitor to your smart device, please follow the link in the description. There is also an excellent step-by-step guide with diagrams in your instruction manual, so be sure to check that out too. So now you're ready to set up your Callowesse SmartView Video Baby Monitor. And if you're yet to purchase, you can find it on callowesse.co.uk or via Amazon. Just search for the Callowesse SmartView Video Baby Monitor. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section below.